Okay, hi Kale. So, what's our lesson? What's our experiment for today?
Sound sound moves through water.
Water. Okay, so what are our materials? Can you tell everyone?
Teaspoon,
Teaspoon. Okay.
cups with water amounts,
Different amount of
different amounts of water.
water. Very good. Okay. So, can you try tapping this one with the spoon, please?
That's
Uh,
low.
It's a low sound. So, if there's high water, the sound is
Low.
low. What about this one?
That's mid.
Mid. It's like middle, no?
Yeah.
It's like medium, small, medium, large.
That's
Oh,
high.
that's high. So if there's little water, the sound is
High.
high. Okay. So that means if you're hearing different sounds with different amounts of water, it means sound moves through what?
Through water.
Water. Okay, good job.